Okay, getting back to the Checkmate. Going to unravel this neck here. Let's see if we can get this all apart. See how this glue up came out. She's back. A lot of drop off here. That's okay. I think the neck angle looks good. Let's take a look. Keep your fingers crossed. It is good. It's pretty high, actually. Well, this bridge is going to come up. Let's say I got a good 1/8 of an inch. I can come up, which is perfect. I'm about 3/8 of an inch off the top of the guitar. I think that's good. The neck's probably need a little adjustment, but it's much better. A lot of cleanup, a lot of glue residue here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up and I'll be back. It's all glued back together. Fingerboard came out pretty good, not many gaps. Just right here on the end where it's real wonky. Not exactly sure what the hell's going on there. There's a bunch of the top, the binding, like some different laminations all coming together. I'm gonna have to just file that out flat and put a new nut in it. Luckily the nut I have, I think, is pretty high, so I got some room to move. Although the truss rod adjustment's there. I guess I should check that, make sure it's spinning and working. I still have these 2 locator holes to fill. Maybe I'll do that next. I'll show you how I do that. Be right back. Just gonna drop a little super glue right in that hole. I put the dust that I got from the fingerboard, fill the hole with that first. Just put a drop, let it go in. Add some more sawdust right to the top. You might have to do it a couple of times. Let that harden up. I'll do one more. One more will do it. Got to be careful, you just don't want to chip it out. But if you just go kind of 45-degree angles. Perfect. Now I'll do the other one the same. I'll show you what that looks like. So here's the finished piece. You can see it right there. And the other one down here, it's right there. This one stands out a little bit more, but once you get this thing strung up, and I'll put some oil on this, it'll blend right in. It's perfectly smooth. That's the main thing. Perfect for this Checkmate G-300. Next thing is this bridge has to be replaced again. Take that off. Stay tuned for the next video where I builds me a new bridge.